Okay, so as we have discussed that,
Ma'am, the graph, I'm copying that.
okay, you copy it. You may copy,
Ma'am,
you may not, because
can you
I
please
will
explain
send it.
again IRR by 4 is, why is there?
What?
IRR by 4 means reverse current by 4.
That is, it is the time we are considering before it comes to zero. It is just
Okay.
before coming to zero. Zero is
0.
here, and this is the portion where it is IRR by 4. Just before zero. IRR by 4 is the portion where it is current is IRR by 4. Hmm. So as we were discussing that this is a triangle, and if I want to get the slope of this portion, that is y portion's triangle slope is what? The slope of this is di by dt, that is during the discharging period of capacitor, as I mentioned, that after peak of the current, that is IRR means the peak recovery current, after that it will come to zero slowly. So during that portion, what will be the slope of it? This slope is actually the rate of discharge of current. Rate of discharge of current. It should be opposite side by adjacent side, and its opposite side is IRR, adjacent side is Y. So dy by dt or di dt is actually equal to IRR by Y. Okay, IRR by Y. So as I mentioned, di dt is equal to slope equal to IRR by Y. So from that we'll get IRR equal to Y di dt. If I put that value in QRR, QRR means reverse recovery charge, that will be half into Y di dt TRR. So Y is what? Y is equal to TRR by 1 passes. So that we can write half di dt TRR square by 1 plus S. Okay. So softness factor, if is much less than 1, then we will not consider this S, and QRR value will be half TRR square into di dt. Okay. So according to that value, the switches may be slower or faster. Okay. So if I in IRR is generally mentioned by the manufacturer. If not, then they will mention the rate of uh, discharge current. Now, what is reverse recovery time? Reverse recovery time is defined as the time taken for anode current is reaching from 0 to IRR by 4, and that particular time is reverse recovery time. According to this reverse recovery charge, the device either slower or faster, that can be determined. That is, suppose the softness factor is more. When the softness factor is more, then it cannot be negligible. So it is not negligible. That means it will have some value. And so, yes. it will have some value, and therefore 1 plus s will be considered, and in that case the device will be slower. Okay. Stored charge in the capacitor, due to stored charge in the capacitor, the power diode is actually slower device. And if I apply some external means to remove this charge, then what will happen? The device will quickly comes to the off state, and this means actually known as commutation, which we will discuss in SCR, that is silicon control rectifier. Okay, so if the softness factor is higher, then the device will be slower, and if the softness factor is lower, then the recovery time will be faster. Fast recovery time will be given. Okay, so in general purpose diodes, it is used in rectifiers, converters in this case, and here the voltage will be 4 kilovolt, current 1 kiloampere, and reverse recovery time will be 25 microsecond. Okay, these general purpose diodes are generally freewheeling diode, and the diodes that are used in rectifier cannot be used in chopper or inverter. Okay, so fast recovery diodes generally has the reverse recovery time as in the value of nanosecond. Okay, fast switching, so its switching is in the nanosecond speed. And when the general purpose diodes are used, they are used in rectifier. Okay, they are used in rectifier and converters. Okay, and fast recovery diodes having voltage rating of 4 kilovolt and current rating of 2 kiloampere, and reverse recovery time in the nanosecond. Fast switching is possible in this case. This kind of diodes are used in
Schottky diode,
choppers.
yeah, ma'am. Schottky diode is a fast diode, ma'am.
Yes, these are used in choppers, inverters. Okay, and ultra
Ma'am, I have
fast.
a question.
Yes, just a minute.
Ma'am, normal diodes, just like IN4007 and Schottky diodes, IN